Hey everyone, today we are unboxing the Xiaomi 14T. It comes with this adapter plug, which is super helpful. Now here is the box. It's sleek, classy, all white with silver fonts. Inside we've got this little sleeve and then the handset itself. Once you take the separator off, you will find the power brick, then the charging cable. That's everything that comes in the box. Now let's open up the sleeve. Inside you've got the SIM ejector tool right on top of the flap here. Let's pop it off and take a look. It's metal and very sturdy. Next we've got some documentation. And nice surprise, it also comes with a case. Usually these bundled cases are clear, but this one is black, which I really like. It has the Xiaomi branding, feels non-slippery, and looks great. Now let's skim through these documents. Whoa, that's a lot of words, man. Here's another one. Also a lot of reading. You can go through it if you'd like. Next up, the charger. It's wrapped in this paper. And once you peel that off, you'll see the shiny 67-watt power brick. Then we have the USB Type-C cable. Nice length. And I love that the tips inside are red. I really don't know if that's a functionality thing or just cosmetic, but I really like it. Now let's unwrap the phone itself. It's so shiny and so reflective. On the back, we've got the three main cameras and a flash. Another major standout, the Leica co-engineered triple camera system. Now on the sides. This side here, we have the volume up and volume down and the power button. At the bottom, we have the charging port and speakers. To charge it, I'll be using the included adapter with the charging brick. Plug it into your power source, connect your phone, and wait. My battery came fully dead, so I had to give it a little bit of time to juice up. Now, this is the extra phone case that I bought because I totally forgot that one was included. It's black, snaps right on, and keeps the phone secure and protected. And that's it. If you're thinking of getting the Xiaomi 14T, this is exactly what you should expect in your box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.